So the arithmetic mean is over. The next measure of central tendency is median. Median, it is the value of the middle item of a series arranged in ascending or descending order of magnitude. Arranged in ascending or descending order of magnitude. The median is also found out in three series: individual series, discrete series, and continuous series. First one, how to calculate median in individual series. The steps are: arrange the series in ascending or descending order. Second one, locate median using the formula, that is median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th item. For example, find out median from the following series. First step is you have to arrange the data in ascending or descending order. Here the data are 20, 25, 30, 15, 17, 18, 35, 40 and 26. So first you have to arrange the data in ascending order. Then apply the equation median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th item. Here what is n? N is the total number of item in a series. Here the total number of item is 9, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. N is 9. Then apply the equation median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th item, that is 9 plus 1 divided by 2. 9 plus 1 divided by 2th item, that is 10 divided by 2, that is 5th item. In this arranged series, which one is the 5th item? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 25 is considered as median. Next example, when the series is even numbers. The previous example is when the series is an odd number. At that time we have to apply this equation. We have directly picked the value of median. When the series is even numbers, at that time the first procedure is that arrange the series into ascending or descending order. In this example, the series is already arranged in ascending order. So first step, arrange the series into ascending order, but here the series is already arranged in ascending order. Then apply the equation median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th item. Here what is the value of n? N is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. N is 10. Apply the equation 10 plus 1 divided by 2th item, that is 10 plus 1 by 2th item, that is 5.5th item. We can't take the 5.5th item. In that time we have to be compute median in, that is median is equal to 5th item plus 5th item plus 6th item divided by 2. Here in this arranged series, 5th item is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th item is 18 and 6th item is 22. 18 plus 22 divided by 2, that is 40 divided by 2, that is 20. The value of median is 20, that is 5th item plus 6th item divided by 2. 5th item is 18, 6th item is 22. 18 plus 22 divided by 2, that is 40 divided by 2, 20. Value of median is 20. That is the median value can be lies in between this region, that is 18 to 22. Next one, how to calculate median in discrete series. So individual series over, next one discrete series. In the discrete series, the steps are: arrange the data in ascending or descending order, convert simple frequency into cumulative frequency, determine the n plus 1 by 2th item of the series. Here the n is the sigma f. Find median value corresponding to the n plus 1 by 2th item. The first step is that have to be arrange the series in ascending or descending order. Here the value of x and frequency is given. Arrange the series in ascending or descending order. Here the series is already arranged in ascending order, so there is no need to arrange the series. Then after that, The second step is have to be compute the cumulative frequency. What is cumulative frequency? Cumulative frequency means the frequency can be added together. The first cumulative frequency of the first item is 14. Then next one is 14 plus 60. That is 14 plus 60. That is 74. The next one 74 plus 40. That is 140, like that. So after find out the cumulative frequency, the next step is find out the value of n. Here n is the total of the frequency column, that is 189. The cumulative frequency of the last item and the total n is same as 189. Then apply the equation median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th item. Here n is 189, that is 189 plus 1 divided by 2th item, that is 190 divided by 2, that is 95th item. Then here the 95th item is higher than 74th item and less than 114th item. So the value of median is lies in this region, that is 114, and the corresponding value is taken as the median. So the value of median is 10. അതായത് നമ്മൾ ആദ്യം ക്യുമുലേറ്റീവ് ഫ്രീക്വൻസി കാണുക, അതായത് ഒരു ഫ്രീക്വൻസിൻ്റെ കൂടെ വേറൊരു ഫ്രീക്വൻസി ആഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ടോട്ടൽ n കാണുക, അതായത് ടോട്ടൽ ഫ്രീക്വൻസി. ഈ ഇക്വേഷൻ വെച്ചിട്ട് അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുക n plus 1 by 2th item. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് എന്ത് കിട്ടും? 95th item എന്ന് കിട്ടും. 95th item എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 74-നേക്കാൾ കൂടുതലും 114-നേക്കാളും ചെറുതുമാണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ ഈ ഒരു റീജിയനിലാണ് എന്തുണ്ടാവുക? മീഡിയൻ്റെ വാല്യൂസ് ഉണ്ടാവുക. അപ്പോൾ അതിൻ്റെ കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് വാല്യൂ 114ന് നേരെ കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള എക്സ് വാല്യൂ ഏതാണോ അതിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് പറയുന്നത്? മീഡിയൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. Median in discrete series over. The next one is median in continuous series. The following steps are used to calculate median in continuous series. First one, calculate cumulative frequency. Second one, determine the median class in which the median lies, that is n by 2th item. Then locate median by using the following formula, that is m is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by f into c. Here L is the lower limit of the classes, F is the frequency of median class, Cf cumulative frequency of the class preceding median class, then n by 2 is the size of the median item, then C is class interval. Class interval, that is upper limit minus lower limit. Then we have work out a problem, calculate median from the following data. In this question, the mark and frequencies are given. The first step is that we have to be calculate cumulative frequency. How to calculate cumulative frequency? The cumulative frequency of the first class is 10 and the second class is 10 plus 20, that is 30. Next class 30 plus 30, that is 60. The next one 60 plus 15, 75. 75 plus 5, that is 80. Then after find out the cumulative frequency of the classes, the next step is you have to be find out the value of n. N is the total of the frequency column. Here 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 15 plus 5, that is 80. The total n and the cumulative frequency of the last class is the same, 80. Then after that, next step is that you have to be find out the n by 2th item, that is n by 2th item, that is 80 divided by 2, that is 40. Then after find out the 14 n by 2th item, the next step is that you have to be check what the item of 40 is lies in which classes. So we will get the answer n by 2th item is 40. Then the 40 is higher than the value of 30 and less than the value of 60. So the value of 40 is lies in this region. So the corresponding class is considered as the median class. So the median class is 140 to 160. അതായത് 14 എന്ന് പറയുന്ന വാല്യൂ നമുക്ക് n by 2th ഐറ്റം ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ കിട്ടും. 14 എന്ന് പറയുന്ന വാല്യൂ 13-നേക്കാളും കൂടുതലാണ്, 16-നേക്കാളും കുറവാണ്. അപ്പോൾ 14 എന്ന് പറയുന്ന വാല്യൂ ഉണ്ടാവുന്ന റീജിയൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഏതാണ്? ഈ ഒരു 16th റീജിയനാണ്, 16th വാല്യൂ ആണ്, 16th ഐറ്റത്തിൽ നേരെയാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഈ 16th ഐറ്റത്തിന് കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ക്ലാസ് നമ്മൾ എന്തെടുക്കും, മീഡിയൻ ക്ലാസ് ആയിട്ട് സെലക്ട് ചെയ്യും. Then next step, after determining the median class, the next step is locate median by using the equation. മീഡിയൻ ക്ലാസ് ഡിറ്റർമൈൻ ചെയ്തതിന് ശേഷം നമ്മൾ എന്ത് കാൽക്കുലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യണം, മീഡിയൻ കാൽക്കുലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യണം ഈ ഇക്വേഷൻസ് വെച്ചിട്ട്. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിൽ നമുക്കറിയാം എൽ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ലോവർ ലിമിറ്റ് ഓഫ് ദ ക്ലാസ്സസ് ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ ലോവർ ലിമിറ്റ് ഓഫ് ദ ക്ലാസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എന്താണ്, 140 to 160 ക്ലാസ്സിൽ ലോവർ ലിമിറ്റ് ഏതാണ്, 140. ദെൻ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നു, ഇക്വേഷൻ അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുന്നു. അതായത് മീഡിയൻ ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു എൽ പ്ലസ് എൻ ബൈ 2 മൈനസ് എഫ് ഡിവൈഡഡ് ബൈ എഫ് ഇൻറ്റു സി. ഹിയർ ദ എൽ ഈസ് 140, that is the lower limit of the classes. L plus 140 plus n by 2. The n by 2 we already find out, that is 40. N by 2 minus 40 minus, then next one is cumulative frequency. What is cumulative frequency? Cumulative frequency of the class preceding median class. Here the cumulative frequency of the class is 60 and the preceding median class, that is 30. 40 minus 30 divided by frequency. Frequency means frequency of the median class. Here the frequency of the median class is 30. 30 divided by 140 plus 40 minus 30 divided by 30 into, then C is class interval, that is upper limit minus lower limit. Here 140 minus 160. So the class interval is 20. So after substituting the values in that particular equation, you will get an answer that is 146.67. That is the value of median. So these are the ways, different ways for calculating median. Thank you.